Alright guys, have a 65 Mustang here. Putting a Mustang 2 rack and pinion suspension inside. I'm going to be using the stock stamped arms. Got my transmission down for removal. Need to take that old steering column out of it. Remove my heater. I'm not going to need that anymore. In the process of cleaning up all the engine area, engine compartment. Go ahead and paint it, get it all nice inside. Yeah, there you can see my suspension parts all piled up, neat and cleaned up. Got my new torque boxes there. There she is. Probably gonna do a new paint job. Keep the purple. Do a black paint job on top. Got a 69 Mach 1 hood scoop up there. Got the turn signals in the back. Floor pulled apart. Gonna put some toe boards in. Put some coating on there and try to get some sound deadener material. This car was done once. Pulled it all apart, put the suspension in. Pretty dirty right now. Been sitting outside for a couple years. Those are Boyd's wheels. Probably won't be able to use them anymore with the suspension though. Here's where my torque box is going to go. Some frame rail work. But I just guess I have to keep you updated on what I'm doing.